what we're looking at now is using estimation. Okay, so if you are asked to estimate something, you don't have to give an accurate answer. We want it to be close to an accurate answer, but without all the thinking. So rounding comes in handy here. So when we say estimate this answer of 9 times 9, we might round them to the nearest number that ends in 0. Some people call them friendly numbers. Maybe think of as tens or hundreds, something that's a bit easier to calculate. So this 9 is close to 10, and this 19 is close to 20. And this becomes a little bit easier instead of Mr. Blair trying to work out 9 times 19, too much thinking. I know 9 times 19 is going to be roughly or close to, well, I know 10 times 2 is 20, and I've covered up 1 0, so I'm going to put that 0 on the end. So I know this answer here is 200. This one here must be around about 200. I know it's going to be lower than 200 because 9 is 1 less than 10 and 19 is 1 less than 20. So if you get asked to estimate 9 times 19, 200 would be fine. Another way you could have done this is if you just changed one of them here. If it was 10 times 19, you could just obviously, actually, if I go back here, 9, you could actually keep the 20 as 19, and just change one of them, if you know your calculations. 10 times 19, well, I know 1 times 19 is 19, but because we're dealing with tens, I put the 0 on the end. So 10 times 19 must be 190. So this one here, 9 times 19, I'm getting closer to the exact answer, but I don't need the exact answer. So if you put down 10 times 20, it's 200. That's fine. If you went 10 times 19, it's 190. That's fine too. They're both not the accurate answer, but when you get asked to estimate, that's fine. So look at this one over here, 52 times 8. I might change 52 to a friendly number that ends in 0, and I'm thinking of 50. Eight is close to 10, I might do that. And then I can multiply. I might not know 50 times 10. If I cover up those 2 zeros, I know 5 times 1 is 5, and then I can put the 2 zeros on the end, which would give me 500. The 2 zeros represents, we're looking at tens here, not just the ones, so that's why I've added the 2 zeros on. 500. So approximately, or estimating 52 times 8 is round about 500. It's not accurate, it's close enough. If I was going to be a little bit more accurate, but not super accurate, I could just change one of these. Let's change maybe this one here, we'll keep it as 50. This one, we'll just make it 8. Okay, again, it's not going to be accurate, but it'll be even closer. 50 times 8, might not know that. I could cover up the 0. I know 5 times 8 is 40. And then because I'm dealing with tens, I put that 0 on the end. So 50 times 8 is 400. So 52 times 8 is approximately or roughly 400. Do you think it'd be 52 times 8 would be greater than 400 or less than 400? and why. Go give that extra detail. Clearly, 52 times 8 would be a little bit more than 400. So before we had 50 times 10 was 500. Now we've got 50 times 8 is 400. So it's approximately in between 400 and 500, somewhere in there. Easy, really, isn't it?